Lab 13 is DHCP or Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol. So first is configure 3 DHCP poles on R1. So 10 pool, 20 pool, and 12 pool. So sa R1, then sa command line, so enable, then configuration, terminal, then yung 10 pool muna. So para yung using ng command na IP DHCP poll, then 10 pool, then range which is yung network, then yung IP address which is 10.0.0.0, then yung subnet mask na 255.255.255.0. Then susunod is default gateway or default router. Then yung IP address which is 10.0.0.1. Then enter. Then yung DNS server which is DNS/server. Then yung IP address which is 10.0.0.1. Then enter. Then sa excluded address, kailangan mong lumabas which is exit ka muna. Then kailangan kasi siya nasa configuration terminal siya. So, using yung command na IP DHCP, then excluded dash address, then yung start which is 10.0.0.1, then yung dulo which is 10.0.0.10. So, sunod naman is yung 20 pool. So, 20 pool, same din lang. Ibahan lang yung pool at saka yung IP. So, first ulit is IP, DHCP, pool, 20 pool. So, enter. Then, yung range, which is network, then yung IP address, which is 20.0.0.0. Then yung subnet mask is 255.255.255.0. Enter. Tapos default gateway, default router. Then yung IP address, which is 20.0.0.1. Then enter. Then yung DNS server, DNS/server. Then yung IP address, which is 20.0.0.1. Then enter. Then exit ulit para sa excluded IP address, which is IP DHCP, tapos excluded dash address, then yung start which is 20.0.0.1, then last is 20.0.0.10, then enter. Then sunod naman is yung 12 pool, which is ang given lang is yung network na or yung range. So IP DHCP pool 12 pool, then network, tapos 192.168.1.12, sorry, .0. Then subnet mask is 255.255.255.0. So to check yan is show man. Meron na siyang excluded. Then 20 full, 10 full, tapos 20 full, tapos yung 12 full. Then number 2 naman, then para check din ito is dapat tong PC1 is may nababato na siyang IP address, which is, di ba wala tayong sinat ditong IP address. Dapat ngayon, si R1 is magbabato siya ng IP address, which is dapat is 10.0.0.11. Kasi excluded yung 1 to 10. So, dapat 11 yung start niya. So, para magawa yun is ipconfig then slash renew. So, yung IP address, then yung subnet mask, then yung default gateway, then yung DNS server. Then, so, sa number 2 naman is, number 2, configure RTOS00 interface as DHCP client, then enable the interface. So, sa R2 tayo na G00. So, dito is, tayo ulit ng privilege mode, then global configuration terminal, then in 0 dash 0, then IP address was DHCP, then no shutdown or no shut. Then i-check natin siya sa show run kung may IP address na yung G00. So, yung G00 is may IP address na DHCP na. Then, sa number 3 is configure RTOS G01 as DHCP relay agent so that hosts on 20.0.0-24 network can get IP address. So, itong part na to, which is ito yung 20.0.0.24 or 255.255.255.0, yung subnet mask niya, dapat may mabato na IP address dito, which is automatically siya na may babato. Dapat hindi mo siya isiset. Dapat yung DHCP kasi is may ibibigay ka lang na range, then siya na yung bahala kung anong IP address na yon. Then, so, i-configure natin yung R2. So, dito is int, sabi niya G01, then using yung command na IP helper, then yung IP address na is ito. Kasi dito siya sa R2. So, 192, siya yung magiging, parang static siya. Parang siya yung magiging way. So, since nasa R1 yung DHCP, so parang magiging way siya para makakonect yung R2 doon sa mga PC. So, 192.168.12 or sabi niya 0, so mag 1. So, meron na. Then, ano tayo ng EC3. Then, sign in desktop. Then, so, same kanina, IP, config, then, new. So, hintayin lang natin. So, try natin ng release. Then, saka tayo mag-renew. So, meron na. 12 na siya.